Hey guys, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, we are going to be making lemon pepper baked salmon. It's an easy meal that you can make in 30 minutes or less. It's super delicious, and I love salmon. I hope you love salmon, so let's get started. So we've already got 4 salmon fillets here, and these are frozen salmon fillets. Frozen is fine. And these are actually skinless. And if these had skin on them, they would be fine as well. When you cook them in the oven, the flesh just flakes right off of the skin. It's perfect. So we're going to brush these with some lemon zest and the juice, some butter and some avocado oil, some fresh parsley, some garlic powder, and salt and pepper. And they're gonna be super flavorful. So first thing I'm gonna do is zest this lemon. It's a lot easier to zest before you juice it. Okay, there's our zest. So now we can slice this in half, and we're gonna juice it as well. Use our handy dandy lemon juicer and juice it right into our bowl. This one's hard to juice. I'll have to, let me cut these little ends off. If yours has these little ends, you might want to cut them off so it's easier to juice. That's better. Okay, now we can add in the rest of our ingredients. We've got a tablespoon of melted butter and a tablespoon of avocado oil. And this is 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley. And this is a teaspoon of powdered garlic powder. Okay, we're also gonna put in 1/2 teaspoon of salt and lots of black pepper because this is lemon pepper salmon. All right, now we can mix it all up with our basting brush. This salmon has so much flavor. It's so good. Okay, now we are going to coat both sides of our salmon with this mixture here. Okay, now we can flip them over and do the other side. Okay, now these are going to bake in a 400-degree oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. If you start to see the little white popping out on the top, they're done. Like, you need to pull them out of the oven because they're starting to overcook. But a good, about 8 minutes into the cooking, just kind of try and flake it with a fork. And if it's ready, they'll, separate, but you don't want them to overcook because, man, I just really hate overcooked salmon. So these are ready for the oven. Okay, here's our salmon. It took exactly 8 minutes. And it is perfect, so let's just see. It perfectly flakes. It's going to be delicious. Lemony, peppery, delicious. So that's all there is to this easy lemon pepper baked salmon. This was ready, in less than 20 minutes. You can find the link to the recipe if you want to print it. It's in the description below, but I also have the full recipe in the description, and it is already there. You don't have to go to my website to get the recipe. How generous am I? And I hope you guys like the recipe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.